Hello fans, followers, hello customers. I welcome you today from the dyno room at HPerformance in Germany. My name is Tobias Heffner and I'm the general manager of the company. I present you today a 700 horsepower Audi RS3 DAZA that came as a fully stock car to us and had to be modified to a 700 horsepower stage. Basically, we need a lot of different parts to get this car to the 700 horsepower level. And what is a special situation in Germany, we only have 102 RON as the best pump fuel available, and we need to add a water methanol system to increase the knock resistance of the fuel and to get those power levels that we achieved in this case here. Base of these modifications is our engine pack 2 with special rods and pistons with some valve springs and the TC800XT that we installed with the turboback exhaust system. Also we have installed our 90mm HPerformance intake system and our HPerformance club sport intercooler in the front with ACC compatibility. What is so interesting on this build is the Vmi system that allows us to drive very constant numbers and very high power levels on a realistically very low power fuel. That's just a pump fuel on the street. I know it's better than in some other countries, but at least it's not on the level that you have on E85 or on race fuel. Let me show you some numbers. After pull number 14 we had 700 horsepower and 730 Newton meter, and then we started to add slightly more boost into the car and we ramped up to 710 and 730 horsepower in the top, and we had 750 at the end, 800 plus Newton meters that had been reproducible. As you see, 25 degree, 25, 25, so we always have around 25 degree in our dyno chamber, and we were able to reproduce the power constant on the same level, even the torque as well. The solution for that, or the key for that, is based in the boot of the car. Just follow me. I just wanted to show you the water methanol system that is installed in the car. When you open the boot, basically you can see nothing, that's the plan at all. And when you lift the cover, you can see our 12-liter aluminum water methanol tank. The tank is 1x1 adjustable, fittable in the TTRS, RS3, RS3 facelift, even in the RSQ3. The tank consists of 9 separated chambers in the tank and a foam in every single chamber. That is made to prevent supply leaks of water methanol during hard acceleration pulls. As you can see, the pump is mounted on the front side of the tank, but when we open the filling cap, you can see that there is a pipe going to the lower end of the tank, because we take the fuel from the lower end of the tank. So when you accelerate and the fuel is pressed back by the physics, you always have guaranteed that there happen no supply issues. The complete electric and the other stuff is installed here in the boot, so you can see nothing when you close the cover, and that is the plan of the system. What we wanted to show you today, the Vmi system is used for getting low fuel qualities to a higher quality level. Normally we can only achieve around 650 horsepower on German pump fuel. With the same pump fuel we can get 750 maximum horsepower with a constant Vmi supply and a spraying on several positions in the charge cooling system. So we can make the octane rate of a low quality fuel higher. That is one possibility why we can use a Vmi system, and we can make the intake charge air temperatures constant, not only on the racetrack, also on the street, because everybody knows when you drive your car in the winter it feels very aggressive, it feels powerful and it drives very good, and in the summer at 30 degree or 35 degree ambient you feel like you lost 50 or 100 horsepower. This is a factor that you can compensate with the Vmi system, and with our system that is invisible mounted in the car is a very clean and very good solution for that. For today, I thank you very much. We have a TTRS coming very soon with similar specifications. We are going to run the car the next days on the street. As you can see, it's a standard RS3. It has no weight reduction. This is stock wheels, stock interior, and we wanted to show the reproducibility of the power and of the times on the street. It will be interesting to see the comparison to the TTRS as well. Thank you in advance. I hope to see you soon in one of our next videos, and you subscribe and like our video. So far, take care. Cheers. Bye bye.